Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Spa Algaecide. What is Leisure Time Spa Algaecide? Non-foaming algaecide that can be used with all spas and sanitizers. Will not damage tile, concrete, metal, or plastics. Useful tip. Wait 15 minutes after treating to re-enter spa. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, ozone, and biguanide sanitizers. Usage directions. Initial treatment. Step 1. For visible algae growth or slimy interior surface, add 6 to 8 ounces per 500-gallon capacity. Step 2. For heavy algae growth, drain spa and clean prior to treatment. Routine maintenance. Add 1 or 2 ounces per 500 gallons every 5-7 days. Dosage. Start up 6 to 8 FL/ounces per 500 gallons of water. Routine maintenance. 1 or 2 FL/ounces per 500 gallons of water every 5-7 days. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.